Hello fellas, today I have Makita impact driver and the problem with it, it's not holding the bit, so I need to open it. Just trying not to lose it. Don't forget that it's a spring inside, and now I will try to take out something bad here. Taking out the washer. Normally it's not like that. And the spring, the sleeve, and you want to find the ball bearings here inside. I have two of them. I don't know where the previous ones I have lost, and okay, just putting the balls here inside the anvil, closing this cover, and now we need to push the spring, the washer in, and of course the spring ring. Okay, I think I did that with my fingers. We have our sleeve moving again, and we can test it now. I cannot push it in, and getting the sleeve up, and it holds a bit, so this impact driver can work again. Thank you for watching.